Hey, this is Scrap from the Hills, and I am advertising ShamWows. Well, you know, ShamWows are pretty cool. So, you'd be out of your mind not to own one. And just to prove to you nice people at home, I'm gonna do a test today to see how much a ShamWow can pick up out of this piece of carpet. Okay, I'm gonna pour some milk in this carpet. All right. Okay, I got my glass. All right. Now, you pour some milk on there. Look at that. See? See? See that? See? That's all milk right there. Alright? Now, knowing that the ShamWow is a very strong towel, all you gotta do is put it on there without any pressure, and then fold it up again. Fold it up one more time, and look! Virtually dry on the bottom. See this? Here. One more time. Okay, look. Pound it on. Without any pressure at all. And then lift it up, virtually dry on the bottom. Am I right? Yeah. So just buy a ShamWow because they're amazing. And if you don't buy a ShamWow, well then I guess you're missing out. Well, bye.